Alright, YouTube. Show you how to replace spark plugs in your truck, van, SUV, car, whatever have you. Tools you're going to need. First thing, obviously, new spark plugs. Depending on your spark plugs and whether they're gappable, Carper type, iridium, most iridium, fine tip platinum, you don't have to gap. You'll have to Google or check with your auto parts store when you buy them. See if they're gap plugs or not. The other good way you can tell if you have to gap them is they'll say on the back, you know, they're gappable. They'll also give you torque specs. I found most plugs are happy between 15 and 20 foot-pounds. On most cars. Some cars are more important to gap than others. So let's get started. But so a torque wrench can be awful handy, and of course a spark plug socket, spark plugs, a feeler gauge. That's what you'll need. So first thing, you're going to grab one of your plug boots here. We're going to go down. Just going to pull the plug wire off, or coil pack in your case. She slips off. Take our spark plug socket here. That's the sticker right on there. We'll take our ratchet. Breaker free. Run her out. She comes out. She's not firing. She's coated in gas, which I already knew that on this one. You can tell a lot about your plugs, so you can see this is all wet. She's covered in gas. You tell a lot about a spark plug as you pull it. Now we're going to take our new spark plug, and we'll gap it to what the engine is. You will find your gap most of the time on your car for what you need to gap your spark plug, if it's applicable on your car. There'll be an emissions or an engine sticker under the hood. Different manufacturers put it different places. On this van, it's on the hood, and so plastic sleeve is sometimes a good indication. You don't have to. I like this, and GK does that. We're going to still check the gap on these. I know they're not a iridium or anything, and it's going to hurt this plug, so I'm going to take my little gap. She's a little. We want about 40 thousandths there, so I'm going to slide this, and I'm going to slightly pull it to open. We want it to fit in there tight at 40 thousandths. So we're going to take, I'm going to start it in by hand. Always start them by hand. See, I'm just going to start it by hand. So I'm going to carefully. You want a good spark plug socket that'll hold it, like this. This one's magnetic. You can get paper and wrap it around your spark plug in some cases and shove it in your socket real tight to hold it. Old mechanics trick, old shade tree trick. So once I felt it to catch a few, we'll put our wrench on it. I'll run it down. This has very little torque. A little 12-volt wrench. Then come in with our torque wrench here. Get our torque wrench on, and I'm going to set it for 15 foot-pounds here. There we go. She's tight. And we'll put our plug wire back on. And then of course repeat that times 4, 8, however many plugs you have in your engine. And we've just changed the spark plug, just that easy. Anybody can do it. It's absolutely an easy job. And in most cases you can save yourself a lot of money. Don't be intimidated. Most engines under the hood, you won't see them. It's an engine cover. Yank that plastic thing out of there and there's your plugs, there's your wires. We'll show you on another car at a later date. I'll show you on a coil unplug car how to change them. I got a Lincoln coming up for some service, so we'll do it on that. And there we go. Thank you. Like, subscribe. Let me know what your thinks are. Like, dislike, critique me, and have a wonderful day.